wish me luck. I'm gonna try to do a 24-hour fasting, and I'm going to document it in this video. But why am I doing this? A little bit of context, no? I am a relatively healthy person. I work out almost every day. Generally, I am an active person. Today is October 4, 2025, and I am currently 45 years old. For somebody at this age, feeling ko naman I am a very healthy person. But the problem is my diet. I want to reboot it. My goal is to become a more lean, generally not obese kind of an old man. That is my goal in life. Ayokong tumanda ng mataba or malaki or unhealthy. So, kaya that's why I exercise almost every day. But the problem is my diet. It's so difficult to control my diet. A lot of carbs, fast food, and the effect is hindi na ako compensate nung working out or ng exercise yung bad eating habits ko. Plus, I'm also a beer drinker. I drink about 2 to 3 cans or bottles of beer a week. In fact, I have a channel. I have another channel, if you guys don't know. It's called The Clueless Bartender. In that channel, I talk about and I taste and I try different kinds of alcoholic drinks, particularly mga Pinoy craft beers. Almost every week I have an episode. Maglalagay ako ng link sa baba para makita nyo kung ano ginagawa ko doon sa channel na yun. But anyway, back to this video. So yun na nga, what I wanted to do is I wanted to try to reboot my system. Let's see, I just want to know kung kaya kong mag-intermittent fasting so that I can start to discipline my nutritional intake. I know it's going to be difficult. Na-try ko nang mag-IF dati and I did not like it. Umabot lang ako ng I think mga around 12 or 14 hours of that, and I felt so miserable. But I'm preparing myself to do that, and the way to do that is I will document myself throughout the day. 11 a.m. today, tapos my last meal will be at 12 noon. It's lunch, tapos after that hindi na ako kakain, and then I'm gonna try to keep track of it until tomorrow, the following day. To be honest, I am scared because and I'm worried kung magagawa ko ba or makakayanan ko ba, because I felt that before I felt that that hunger when I tried intermittent fasting, and I felt so weak. My mind, the mind is so weak na parang ang dali kong nag-give up. But today in this video, I'm gonna try my best to get through it. Also, another reason why I wanted to try this, I wanna change my physique. And I wanna try to see kung kaya ko bang magkaroon ng abs. I know it's so mababaw, it's so shallow to have that goal. But as you can see, look, I have muscles naman because I work out every day nga. But my abs is non-existent. In fact, I have a belly, a beer belly. Look. There's a love handle, there's a beer belly. But other than that, yeah, I have muscles, pero natatakpan at nababalutan ng taba. So yeah, that's it. That's my goal for this video. I'm gonna try to see if I can survive 24 hours without food.
How's my hair?
Fine. 11:30 a.m. This is going to be my last meal for the day for 24 hours. For the next 24 hours, it's pizza. I don't know if it's a good idea to eat lots of carbs. May meat naman dyan, but ang daming tinapay. Documenting this, pizza. We're gonna see kung anong magiging epekto sa akin. Mentally, emotionally, and physically throughout the day. Let's see. Ten minutes before 12 noon. Just had my lunch. Busog na ako. I cannot eat anymore. And my strategy is I will plot the hours kung anong oras ako normally nagugutom at nagkikrave. Usually around between 3 to 4 p.m. Nagkikrave na ako ng kape at ng merienda. My strategy is malampasan ko lang yung mga oras na I would normally be hungry. 4 p.m. And then dinner time is around 7 p.m. Tapos late evening at around, let's say, 10 or 11 p.m. Those 3 key moments, key points ng hunger. Pag nalampasan ko yon, maybe magiging successful itong 24-hour fast na to. And paano ko gagawin yun? I should be doing something very engaging, or kailangan maging busy ako dun sa mga oras na yun para hindi ko maisip yung gutom. But yeah, that is my strategy. Kailangan ko ma-distract and drink plenty of water. Wish me luck. Cheers. So it's almost 3 o'clock. And right on cue, I'm already feeling the hunger. Usually ganitong oras, nagki-crave na ako ng merienda. Because naturally nga, it's merienda time. And it's always been the routine for me every day. But now that I'm feeling the hunger and the desire and the craving to eat something, kailangan kong tiisin. Kailangan kong i-distract yung sarili ko para maalis yung utak ko dun sa hunger. So what I'm doing right now is I'm doing some work. This is some of the work that I've been doing. I'm editing another video for my other channel, The Clueless Bartender. I'm hoping na ma-distract ako enough so that hindi ko maisip yung hunger. 21 hours to go. Let's go. It's now 5 o'clock. Yeah, medyo nawala. Humupa na yung gutom. Lumipas na yung gutom. But I'm feeling something different. It's the nausea. Parang nasusuka ako. Ganun. Maybe because sobrang kakainom ng tubig. But anyway, I'm okay. 19 hours to go. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to pass the time by keeping myself busy. Ipe-painting ako dito. So these are oil paints. I have here my palette, my brushes, and my oil paints. And I've been trying to get back to painting recently. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. That's what I'm trying to do. It's called an underpainting. Anyway, I'm not gonna bore you with the details of my painting. Next checkpoint will probably be around 7 p.m. dinner time. Let's see kung magsusurvive ako. At umabot pa ng alas 7 ng gabi. Masyadong dramatic. Why am I trying to be overly dramatic? Anyway, I don't know. I'm okay. See you at 7 p.m. It's only 6:30 and the side effects is getting worse. Nasusuka ako. Parang the stomach is rejecting all of the water that I've been drinking for the past 6 hours. And it's trying to come out. Power. Let's power through this. Let's go. It's now 7:30 and I'm drinking my first coffee. Nalampasan ko na yung pinaka mahirap, I think, kanina na part. Wherein na susuka na ako tapos nahihilo. Nalampasan ko na. I'm okay now. But anyway, I think the hardest part of this thing is yung overcoming yung mental weakness. Kasi it's a Saturday night and normally ang mindset ko kapag Saturday night is to ask anong kakainin natin na special, lalabas ba tayo as a family, or lalabas ba tayo uminom with the wife. Yun ang mindset every weekend. But because I'm trying to rewire that habit and remove that habit, my brain is still in that mode. Kaya nahihirapan akong that mental barrier, yun pala yung mahirap lampasan. But okay lang, anyway, Mukhang kaya naman. Coffee. Black coffee. I cannot put sugar on it. See you later at around, I think mga around 9 or 10. Add ko lang pala, no? I'm so used to drinking coffee with sugar. I never drink black coffee. So this one, medyo, it's not, I don't like the taste of black coffee na walang sugar. But I have to do it. Wala akong choice. Bawal maglagay ng sugar sa kape. But at least I'm drinking something other than water. Acceptance. It's now 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Yeah. The worst is over. At least alam ko na nakaya ko. In an hour or so siguro, tutulog na ako. Gising tomorrow morning again. And maybe I'm gonna get super hungry when I wake up kasi that's my routine. Pagkagising ko, immediately it's coffee agad. Tomorrow I cannot drink coffee with sugar, but I can drink black coffee. So pag nagising ako tomorrow ng 6 a.m., I would only need to wait or endure 6 hours more. Okay, so I guess that's it. Good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. And I feel kinda normal. Yung normal na hunger when I usually wake up when I'm not fasting. Medyo parang ganun yung nararamdaman ko right now. It's weird kasi I was expecting na paggising ko ngayon I'm going to be parang starving. But no. Yung doubt na nararamdaman ko nung umpisa kung kaya ko ba to has completely disappeared. I already know that it's very doable. 5 hours na lang. I feel positive and I feel encouraged. Kasi I know that kaya ko na palang gawin and it's not as difficult as I initially expected. It's 10 a.m. Final 2 hours. This is so anticlimactic kasi I was expecting something a more dramatic climax dito sa towards the end. Pero right now I feel normal. Now I'm on my way to do some of my weekend chores. It's a Sunday morning so hopefully walang traffic. Magpapa-car wash tayo. Also, I have to think about kung anong kakainin namin for lunch. So, it's now 11 a.m. Isang oras na lang. Tapos na ang 24-hour fasting. So maybe I documented this experience not for anyone else, but for my future self. If nadi-discourage ka about anything, whether it's about nutrition or doing a diet or a workout, go back to this video and just know that you're able to do it. Something you thought was impossible or that cannot be done, alam mo at least na kaya mo. Isang oras na lang, done na yung 24-hour fasting ko. After 1 hour, kakain na tayo ulit. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.